What is going on, lads? Welcome back to another video. Now today you join me, we've managed to get the Focus in the garage and currently jacked up. We are finally getting around to fitting the side skirts to the car after about 3 months of running just the front splitter on the car on its own. So at the moment I'm in a bit of a predicament because my drill is not small enough, or the car's not high enough to actually go ahead and get these drilled on. So I'm using, because it's only me doing it, I'm using the paint can and the block to hold the car, or hold the side skirt in place so we can get a good fitment on it. But yeah, if you go ahead and enjoy this video, make sure to drop it a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We've got some mods coming on the way. The sun is out with the Mark 1 Fiesta there, so we've got the Mark 1 Fiesta out of the garage and the Mark 2 Focus ST inside the garage, so we can go ahead and get this done without freezing our tits off. Although the sun is out, it is still pretty cold at the moment, so that is what we're doing today. As I said, like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. But yeah, we need to try and get this car a bit higher in the air so we can go ahead and get the side skirts drilled on. So I'm just going to keep jacking it up until we can safely say that we've got enough room to start drilling. Oh, it's pretty close. A little bit more. What I need to do now is find something that I can put in here to help wedge that in place. I've seen other people that do this and they've taped it in place, but I'm not sure that's something that I really want to do. Just because, one, I haven't got masking tape, and two, I don't think that's going to hold it very well. I'd rather sort of wedge it in place and see how we go with that. So let me find something just to wedge in that gap, and yeah, then we can start drilling it on, and hopefully it will end up alright. Boys, I've had an absolute moment of brilliance. So what I've done is I've swapped the axle stand with the block, purely because the axle stand is height adjustable, and the first height adjustment is pretty much perfect in line with the car. So what I'm going to do is use that, but the first thing I need to do is actually just clean up this panel, because I don't want to screw this on and bolt this on and then find that I've got loads of dirt built up underneath the side skirt there. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I am going to take it off quickly, clean it up with some detailer, make sure it's all nice and clean, and then we're going to put that back and bolt it on. It's looking good so far. Right, so we're going to go ahead and just get the holes drilled. See where we can get this. Oh, takes a bit. Jeez. Right, so I'm just going to go ahead and get this side screwed in, so that when we come to the other side, you can start at both ends. And then work our way towards the middle. Nicely done. Now if we just come to the back, I'm literally just going to do the same again. So we're going to go ahead and drill in this end, and then we'll just fill in the holes. Right boys, so just a quick update. So as you saw, we drilled on the front one, just drilled on the rear as well. So what we're going to do now is just go ahead and drill in the middle holes and literally screw them on. This is actually probably, or it's going quite well so far, so I want to say this is quite an easy job and you can do it yourself. So yeah, what I will point out is just that at one end it is going to be a little bit overshot, just because these are a little bit longer. I don't know if it's supposed to be the front or the back. I've done a little bit overshot there and a little bit at that end as well, just so that it's sort of even, but it's entirely up to you boys how you want to do it. But that looks pretty well lined up to me, if I say so myself. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and get the other bits drilled on now, and then I will come back to you once we've got it all drilled on. We'll drop the car down, move the Mark 1 fairs, and come back to it. There we have it, boys. So the first side is on. I can't remember how many screws there are. Oh, this will tell us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I count 6 screws along the side, so there's going to be 6 on the other side as well. But yeah, relatively simple. As I said, you can definitely give us a go at home yourself, like I am, and it just makes your car look pretty paying as well. So that is numero uno. We'll just go ahead and get the car switched around and yeah, do the other side. Right boys, we've swapped the focus round. As you can see, we now have the other side of the car in the garage, or the other way around in the garage. So yeah, same process. I'm going to jack the car up, use the axle stand to line up the other side skirt, and then simply just drill it in and go from there. It should be relatively easy if it goes as well as the other side. So there we have it. We have the other side on, as you can see, looking pretty paying. That side was literally done in 10 minutes. Same clip recorded for 10 minutes. So as you can see, once you've done one, it is pretty easy. What we're going to do now is just go ahead and drop the car down, get it out of the garage, get the Mark 1 out of the way again, and yeah, I'll show you the end result. It is, well, it did, the other side looked pretty paying, but I just want to see it with both sides, and I'll obviously show you boys how it looks. So yeah, I'll drop the car down now and get it out of the garage. So I'm just going to move the Mark 1 fairs. This is an absolute weapon, boys. Oh, give it a bit of choke. Look, you don't see these anymore. Bit more. There we have it, what a weapon. 4-speed gearbox. Absolutely love this car, boys. Fucking love old school cars. Right, I'll just get this moved and then we'll pull the focus out. There we have it, lads. Focus is done. It's looking pretty paying, if I say so myself. Jeez. So yes, there we go. We've got the side skirts on finally with the front splitter. So there we have it. Thank you boys for watching this video. If you did go ahead and enjoy, make sure to drop it a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and stay tuned for some more mods.